Welcome to our channel. Discover Bank login issues can be frustrating, but today we'll walk through the easiest way to fix authentication errors and regain access. Welcome to our channel. If you're facing login authentication errors with your Discover Bank account, you're not alone. These issues can happen due to various reasons, but we'll break down the solution into simple step-by-step actions. So you can get back online quickly. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and secure network. A weak or intermittent connection often causes login failures. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're accessing the bank via a web browser, sometimes outdated or corrupted cache data interferes with authentication. Go into your browser settings. Find the option to clear browsing data, select cookies and cached files, and then restart your browser. If you use the Discover Bank mobile app, ensure it is updated to the latest version. App updates often contain critical bug fixes that prevent authentication errors. If the app is already updated, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. This refreshes the app files and may solve any hidden glitches. Now verify your login credentials. Double-check that you are entering the correct username and password. If you suspect a password issue, use the Forgot Password option to reset it securely. Make sure your caps lock is off and there's no extra space when typing your password. Two-factor authentication is another layer of security that might be causing a challenge. If you have set up two-factor authentication, check your email or SMS for the verification code. Enter it carefully. If you do not receive the code, try resending it. Or check your phone's signal and message blocking settings. Disable any VPN or proxy services on your device, as these can sometimes interfere with authentication. Servers temporarily turning them off helps isolate the problem. Lastly, if none of these steps work, try logging in from a different device or web browser. Sometimes device-specific issues or browser incompatibilities cause errors. If the problem persists, contact Discover Bank customer support directly. They can assist with account-specific issues and guide you further. Remember, always keep your app and browser updated, maintain secure passwords, and enable two-factor authentication for your safety. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and solutions.